beautiful ball of nights. Her shadow pirouettes in the spotlight's lights. Every step polished, every smile rehearsed, a marionette strung by the verses they've cursed. The crowd throws roses with thorns in their teeth. She curtsies low, but her knees taste defeat. Applause like shackles, encore like a plea. Just one more bow and you'll set me free. Oh, diamond handcuffs on velvet wrists, a crown of flames for the kiss they insist. She sips champagne, but it's gasoline, dancing alone in a gilded dream. Oh, diamond handcuffs, they sparkle so bright, cutting her name in the walls of the night. The higher she climbs, the thinner the air. A queen of the raps in a gold-plated snare. The mirror won't whisper the name she once knew, just echoes of darling and lipstick hue. Her laughter's a soundtrack, her tears are a show. They love her to death, but they won't let her go. The DJ spins records that crackle and hiss, a requiem wrapped in a synthetic bliss. She mouths the words, but her voice is a ghost, singing along to the toast of her host. Oh, diamond handcuffs on velvet wrist, a crown of flames for the kiss they insist. She sips champagne, but it's gasoline, dancing alone in a gilded dream. Oh, diamond handcuffs, they sparkle so bright, cutting her names in the walls of the night. The higher she climbs, the thinner the air. A queen of the raps in a gold-plated snare.